Hi, I'm Marisa. Welcome to my studio. In this piano tutorial, I will teach you an easy, simple version of Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah. I will play it for you first, and then I will teach you the chords, fingering, and counting. Let's begin. Hallelujah is in C major in this arrangement I'm teaching you. And so the tones of C major again are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So in C major, they are all white keys on the piano. We don't have any sharps or flats naturally occurring in this song. So we will be using 5 chords in C major. One of the chords will be altered. I'll get to it soon. So we will be using the 1 chord of C major, which is C. It's called the 1 chord because it's built off the first tone of the scale. So C is the root, E is the 3rd of the chord, and G is the 5th of the chord. So we have C, E, G, the 1 chord. Then we'll be moving to the 6th chord of C major. It's the 6th chord because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tones up. A. This is A minor. A, C, E. We'll also be playing F major, the 4 chord. That's F, A, C. We'll be playing the 5 chord, G major, G, B, D. And then the last chord is E. So E is the 3rd tone of the scale, so it's the 3 chord. It's normally minor because, again, we have all white keys, so that middle tone is normally just a G natural. But we're going to raise it a half step up to G sharp, which changes the quality of the chord to major. So it's E major, E, G sharp, B. So that's those are the ingredients, those 5 chords. We're going to, in this chord pattern we'll be using in this arrangement, we'll break them up into arpeggios or broken chords. And instead of just playing them in root position chords, we'll be working with an octave. So our range here for C chord will be low C with our 5, and then high C with our thumb or 1. So that's the root note, just played an octave apart. And then the 5th tone of that chord, which is G, will be played in the middle with finger 2. So that's 5, 2, 1. We'll cross over to the missing chord tone E, which is the 3rd tone of the chord, and play that with our 2nd finger, and then come back to our root played with our thumb. So again, 5, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so that's our C major. We'll do the same pattern for all the chords. So let's apply it to A minor. I'm going to move down to this lower A and then play E with 2, 1 with on A, cross over to C with 2, back to A, that's A minor. Let's play it with our F major chord. So we have 5 on F, 2 on C, 1 on F, cross over to A with 2, back to 1 on F. And then our 5 chord G major. G, D, G, B, G, and then we'll finish with E major. We're gonna move up here. So E, B, E, then cross over to that G sharp with finger 2, back to E. So again, that one has the sharp in it here at the top. Okay, so it's helpful because we used the same fingering for all those chords and we used the same pattern for how we arranged those arpeggios. So the next thing to talk about is the counting. There are 6 beats per measure. This is in 6/8 time. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And so we'll keep that all the way through. And now to connect from chord to chord or measure to measure. So we have in the left hand, we have C major to A minor as our introduction. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on beat 6, we're going to go to the key B with finger 4. Then walk to A with finger 5 for the next measure. So this measure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest on beat 6. And then we're going to repeat that same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we move on. Same 2 chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time, those same 2 chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on beat 6, play G with finger 4, then walk to F chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On beat 6, I'm going to have you play C with finger 2, and then G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On beat 6, play D, then C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to play F chord on beats 1, 2, 3, but then we move to G chord on beats 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 chords in that same measure. Then we're going to move up to A minor for the next full measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then E major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the way down to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat that chord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F major. Repeat F major. Then A minor. Repeat. Down to F major again. Repeat. Then down to low C major. Then G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. then we're going to end with that low C again, and we'll play C, G, C. Then with finger 4, cross to E so that you can play 2 on G and then 1 on C. And then you'll hold that note there for at least another full measure for the ending. So now that we have the left hand counting and arpeggio pattern down, we have our foundation, and then we just put our right hand melody on top of that for the counting. So right hand will start on E with finger 1. Okay, so you'll have your left hand introduction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on beat 6, right hand melody comes in, and then they play together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so the melody is going to continue on, this time with a harmonic third. So we're going to add a tone to the melody to give it some harmonic interest. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now right hand plays a harmonic sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then finish with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then while left hand's holding, right hand will play a rolled C chord. Okay, so here's our root note. C, E, G. And a rolled chord is you just play one at a time, keeping them down as they're played, but do it fast. And then you just hold it down. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any requests, leave them for me in the comments. Happy practicing, and I will see you at the next lesson.